So come and join me on a little walking tour today. I'm going to check out this place behind, which is Hotel Gala. It's located bang on the seafront in Playa de las Américas, in Tenerife. So let's go check it out. Come and follow me. So the hotel is literally 2 minute stroll away from the beach. Really good location, to be honest. It's got parking, and if you've got any weird noises going on, I think they're having lots of deliveries done at the moment. So if you hear a lot of beeping, it's just the delivery wagons. Okay, so let's go inside, check the place out, have a little walk around. This is not a room tour, this is just an overview of the property. So if you're thinking of staying here and you want to know what it looks like in 2025, time of filming is July, middle of July, you'll get a good overview of what you're paying for. Okay, let's go check the place out. Come on. So straight from the entrance, you're into the foyer. We have reception over here. And let's go for a little walk around. I'll just show you the pool area, the bar area where the restaurant is. If they've got a games room, a gym, etc. Whatever's available, we'll have a look. It's got a VIP lounge, I've just read the sign. Relaxation corner. Oh, what's down here? There we go. There's the restaurant down there. We'll quick walk back on ourselves. And we're going to go down these steps here. Suppose you could get a lift, but let's walk. Little bar down there. And you've got a restaurant on that side, so let's go check it out. If you've stayed here before and you've got any recommendations for a good room, why not leave a comment in the comment section below. Gives people an idea if they're thinking of using this hotel for the holiday, what a good room is, whether it's sea view or pool view or
yeah, there is a fee.
have a quick nosy in the restaurant. Time of filming, it's about 11 o'clock now, I think. So, well, not quite 11, but ish. Big restaurant, buffet style. Just got a mooch outside. Oh, got a photo booth stall. If you want to get your family portraits done, or a romantic couple shoot on the beach. So, if music's playing, I will just talk over it because YouTube really doesn't like having background music playing while you're walking around. So, if you narrate over it, they don't mind too much, and they realise you're not recording music; it's just there in the background. So, I'm going to keep jabbering as I'm walking around. So here we go. So you've got your pool, you've got your depth, what you can and can't do. Hotel Troya, just stayed at that hotel. I'm going to have a walk around there and review that next. So if you want to look at more content like this, I'm going to make a playlist. And if you want to check all my stuff out, why not like the channel, give me a like if you like the video, and if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, subscribe. It's completely free, no charge, I always ask people to subscribe, because if you don't ask, nobody does. And YouTube love it when people subscribe, and it puts my content out there for more people who like this kind of stuff, who are interested to watch it. You've got all these rooms up here. It's nice, they've got the flowers up on the balcony as well. Now, one thing I do have, I've got this pet hate at the moment, and I don't know why. Glass balconies. All these new posh hotels have glass balconies. And when you're sat on it, and people around the pool, they can look directly into where you are, and you've got absolutely no privacy whatsoever. And I don't know, it just winds me up. So these more old-fashioned hotels tend to have concrete all the way around, or partial glass, half concrete, which I honestly prefer. So I'm taking you over here so I can show you how close to the water, the sea you are. There you go, just beyond there, sea, and just there is McDonald's. So if you want to check it out on a map, you're right behind McDonald's. Nice shady area. Seats look really thick and comfortable. Look how thick those are. And obviously the only trouble with plastic is when it gets hot. It's not the best to sit on, so you need to throw your towel over it. But hey ho. We've got jacuzzi. 6 people maximum, it's saying. There we go. Oh, I can smell the chlorine from here. We've got another upper level sun deck over there. And then you're looking down over the pool here. Oh, let's carry on. I like this cactus garden. Perfectly situated, this hotel, smack in the middle, absolutely everything. You've got Veronica's nightlife right in front of you. I've got a lovely coastal walk to Costa Rica in one direction, or Playa, Los Cristianos in the other direction. So if you want to go take yourself out for an afternoon stroll, you can do. What me and my mate normally do is, if we go too far, just get a taxi back, being lazy. So I'm not travelling alone on this trip. I've come with a friend, so he doesn't like to walk too far. He's getting on a bit. Got the pool bar over there with snacks and drinks. There we go. It looks like we've got a little kids zone over here at the top, so if there's no kids in it, I will film it. I hate filming it when there's families and stuff around it. Don't want to intrude, but I think it's empty, so I'll give it a quick overview. There you go, we've got a kids zone as well. So if you want to bring the little ones for a paddle, you've got your little area. It's a nice overview of the property. Outdoor stage, assuming in summer most of the shows will take place outdoors at night. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to whiz down there and have a quick nosy down there. So that's a better shot of the snack and poolside bar just down there. Hotel looks absolutely lovely, clean. Looks like it's been well kept. The furniture looks like it's well maintained, looked after. Everything looks relatively new. Nothing looks broken, which is nice. It is a 4-star hotel. It looks like a decent quality 4-star hotel. Little shop. You buy your knickknacks or get yourself a can of pop or something. Just walk you through here. So we're back where we come from now, where we started. That's the atrium reception up there. This is your obviously evening bar. And if the weather's a bit sour, this would be your stage for the evening. There you go. So if you do like this kind of content, show the channel some love, give me a thumbs up. If you want to support the channel a bit more, subscribing is completely free. So give it a subscribe for more content. Listen to me walking around hotels, rambling on, checking places out. I go all over the world. I check out European destinations, Far East, everywhere I go, I do vlog down. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.